Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show the whole process. We fit the reverse camera into a quite traditional car, which we require to connect the red wire power for the camera from the reverse light at the back. So here is the camera that we normally mount, which is in the middle at the back bumper or tailgate, which stay on the top of the number plate light. Okay, and we screw two of the screws to hold the camera, and make sure that you tighten the little screw on the side so it stay very firm and still adjustable. And then the wiring generally go in and then find a way to go up. Okay, in this car Hyundai Integra 2004, we actually go through there and then look up into the area here. We actually need to remove the panel at the back end. In some other car you might have to remove the panel on the right or on the left, and in this car you can see that there's one bung hole here with the rubber which we run the wiring through. We slightly cut on the left side, and the wire stay there, and put the bung rubber into the place again, and this one will lock by itself tight. If in case you can't do that, then you might have to cut the wire and join it through, but cut the side of the rubber bung and run the wire, the little wire in the middle here, and the bung will lock back again. That's very common way that we can do, and it's tight. And make sure that you don't put loose the rubber bung back the place. And then the wiring run along with some holding place and connect to here. So here is the section for the reverse. Now this is the reverse tail light. Okay, so in this case you can see this is two different one. Okay, this is the signal light, this is the reverse light, and behind this one is the connector here. And with this car the connector here has green and black, and green is positive, which is the one that we connect to the red wiring for the reverse camera at the end. And you can see here our camera red and yellow connect to the red and yellow, and we take it and stay secure. And after we get the red wire from here into the green line, we just solder it and then tape it and then put it back to the place. So here we only need to connect the red to the positive power, which is green line in this car. It might be different color in your car. Now from there the wiring securely going up here, we actually lift up the rubber along the edge of the car and put the wiring underneath here and underneath it, and going up until all the way until the corner, the left corner roof liner here, and then go into this edge. Okay, let me get the two. So from this point, when we get into the roof liner, we actually use this tool, okay, the plastic tool, to slide like this, and then we guide the wire along this edge into the front. And then we got into the place here. Okay, we have to put the door rubber down, and then you see we put the wiring underneath of the roof liner, which is inside the roof liner here, and then put the rubber back to the place again, so the wire stay in between the roof liner and the metal roof. Okay, so now all the way to the front, and then it will go down to either here. You can see that we put the reverse the GPS sensor on the side eye pillar cover, under the eye pillar cover. In this car we can remove this panel which is here, but in many cars you can't move this, so just keep going to put the wire along the edge of the rubber and put it underneath of the rubber, and then go into the side of the car like this. Okay, then you will find a way behind. Normally in a modern car you find a way behind here, go into around the side of the car here, and then try to pull out the glove box, and from here you can run all the wiring inside behind this section securely. Okay, make sure that you secure it along, not touching the glove box, and then that's it. Go into the right side. Here is where you meet the head unit, which is here. Okay, so that is about the way we fit the wiring for the reverse camera and the GPS sensor also, and two-way here. And when you get into the front, make sure that you connect the front red line into the wiring for the reverse, which in this case it is this brown wire, and it has the label with the back word on the label here. In your car it might be the pink wire and the reverse word or backward. Okay, either way the label can be the back or reverse. And yes, just connect that. This to the brow. Okay, and then that's all done for the camera section. Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.